Having built your presentation, this video will take us through running that presentation. You will learn how to run both in practice and live modes. You'll also be able to save your session data and at the end of it be ready to generate your reports. If you haven't already done so, please download the 10 steps to running a TurningPoint presentation from the website. This video will follow those 10 steps. Step number 1 is to insert the USB receiver unit. We'll open TurningPoint and now we can verify the connection. In a live situation, this should show channel 41. If you're renting from OptiVote, then the handsets and receiver unit will already be set to channel 41, so you can ignore this option. If you're practicing, you can ignore this step 2 and set up the simulated polling at point number 6. Next, point number 4, the participant list. If you've created a participant list, you can select that list now from this area. If you haven't created one, the likelihood is you haven't, then use auto and move to point number 5, which is to open the PowerPoint polling. And select the PowerPoint presentation that you wish to run. It's at this point that you can elect to use simulated polling for practice purposes, but in a live situation, make sure that live polling is selected. Before commencing the PowerPoint presentation, reset the session data. This clears out any data that you may have stored, for example, when practicing. And at that point you're ready to go. So let's select the slideshow from the beginning as you normally would. We move through the PowerPoint in the normal manner. And here we can see the responses. We've got 30 people in this particular audience. And as we click, it'll pop the results up. Simply by moving the PowerPoint on in the normal manner, we move to our next slides until our PowerPoint presentation is finished. At the end of our presentation, we can save the session so that we can get the reporting data, and this can be saved to any drive or file that you elect. Save that, and then we're ready to move to the reporting.